everyone, my name is Lauren Gaw and you are watching another episode of Life Above the Clouds, your guide to elevated eating with a new cannabis recipe every week. We have been making a lot of desserts lately because I have a huge sweet tooth, but today I wanted to mix it up and make something savory. So we are going to make Cannabis Parmesan Zucchini bread. It's bread with Parmesan and zucchini and it tastes amazing. It's also super easy to whip up. There's no yeast and there's no kneading and it's super simple. All we need to do to get started is mix together our flour, Parmesan cheese, salt, baking powder, and baking soda in a large mixing bowl. In a separate mixing bowl, whisk together your eggs, milk, sugar, and the melted butter. Stir your wet ingredients into the dry ingredients until it is just moistened, and then add your grated zucchini and grated onions. Now pour into a greased loaf pan. You can use a 9x5 pan, or you can use a mini loaf pan, or today I am using two 8 by 3 7/8 inches pans, making two medium-sized loaves. Now bake your Parmesan zucchini bread at 350 degrees for about 1 hour or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Because I made two medium-sized loaves, it took about 40 minutes. And just like that, our Cannabis Parmesan Zucchini bread is done. I love the texture of this bread. It's a little bit chunky and it really feels like a homemade bread versus something that you buy in a store. The flavor of the zucchini is really subtle. Putting it in a zucchini bread just makes a really moist, rich bread. You can taste a hint of the Parmesan cheese and the onion, but this bread is also a little bit sweet, which makes it kind of irresistible in my opinion. I hope you liked this episode of Life Above the Clouds. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up and share it with all of your friends. And if you want to support this channel by sending over a cup of sugar or a bag of flour, go check out my Patreon page. The link is in the description section below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.